Oh my God, it's that time. It's Christmas parties, Christmas galas. It's where you get to dress up and go out and hang around with your friends and co-workers and significant people in your life, I guess. Who loves dressing up? I don't know about you, but I love dressing up. Oh my God, I love it. I love being able to feel like a princess. Like, this is so down my alley. I have not done a formal video with you guys, so I wanted to come to you guys and bring you some ideas that I would wear. This may not be your style, your preference, but I'm gonna bring you some things that I actually picked out. Some informal as well as some super formal ideas that I think are super, super, super cute. My name is Angel. If you're new here, I share everything lifestyle from fashion and beauty to DIY and home decor. So if that interests you, don't forget to follow along. Click that subscribe button or the like button if you're watching from Facebook so that you can stay updated. Let's go. I love this jumpsuit. It's so comfortable. I really like it. I would wear this jumpsuit with these shoes. I picked these up from Fashion Nova and they have a clear strap on top of them. Outfit number one is a definite plus. I love this. This is so cute. I love the color. It's just so comfortable. It's so cute and it's a little fancy for you, you know? Just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit, just a little bit. For these, I probably would wear these clear shoes. They came from Nasty Girl and they're nude clear. I like this shirt. The shirt is so hot. It is too cute. Totally love it. Go check it out. I love this. This is your green for the Christmassy theme. This shirt, guys, this shirt, oh my God. You can wear this shirt anywhere, not just for a Christmas gala. You can put it with some tights and jeans and dress it up. I really, really, really love this shirt. And it's thick. It's super thick and it's super warm. That's what you want. And it's good quality. So I would likely wear this outfit with these. I picked these up from Ross. These are some shoes. They're really cute. They're Jessica Simpson shoes. I think they're cute because they're like, you know, nudish colored with the little sparkles which match the shirt. And I just think these would be adorable. I will say that I love this color. This color is so different. Like, if you don't want to be like anybody in the party, you want to walk in and be the star, the center of attention, I would say go grab this jumpsuit, okay? Like, yeah. This is so, so cute. And it's like, it's pretty thick and comfy though. I really, really, really like it. Okay. Okay, so this one is a little bit different. It mixes both red and pink. And I will say the bottom is loose. It's definitely different. But you know, like, it's got that flare. It got a really nice flare to it. So it's definitely an option. This is more comfortable than the rest, more loose. So different but cute. And for these, with this outfit, I probably would wear the nude because the outfit is already busy. So you want some shoes that's not going to draw attention. So I would definitely do the nude shoes, the clear nude shoes. These were from Nasty Girl. And you guys know I'll leave links to everything that I am describing in this video. If I can find the link, I will definitely link everything. Okay, so let me just say, when I saw this online, I thought it was absolutely gorgeous. And I still think it is absolutely gorgeous, but it just doesn't fit me and my body. But it may fit you, so I wanted to show it to you as an option because even though it doesn't fit me, I think it's awesome. I think it's perfect for a Christmas party or gala. It's very fancy up top. I love, love, love the top. Oh my God, like all of the embellishments up top. It's so, so cute. And I do think that, you know, it may fit some people, just not me. I mean, I'll tell you what's wrong. One is this right here. I'm short. I'm really short. So this is more for a taller person. I'm 5'3". So just know that if you're taller than me, it probably fits you a lot better. And then two, I don't have a lot up here yet. So you have some barrettes to fill it out, it will fit you better. So just know that. I really, really like this jumpsuit. This is just so, okay, so I don't know if I tied this right, but you can wear it with this. This is a tie-up. You can wear it with or without it, because if you look at here, you see it has ruffles around the waist. So technically you could do it without that and it still looks, you know, cute. So it's up to you if you want the tie or not. But I think it's so cute. I love this. Oh my God. I really, really like this, guys. Really, really like this. What do you think? You like? Okay, so I will say I have a short torso. So this is a two-piece suit. So if you want to show a little skin, you can show some in this one. Like you can have it where you got just a little piece here showing. Or you can, you know, cover it, you know, however you feel. And it has a split coming up this side. So beware of that if you don't like splits, but I think this is so cute. I will say it's kind of long. It's very long. It has a tail on it. So just know that it will be flowing while you walk, unless you have high enough heels. But even with that, let me show you the heels I would wear. So with this one, I would wear these black and clear Fashion Nova heels. These are so cute. The top strap is clear. I've showed you these before. So yeah, I would wear these, and even with the heels on, let's see. I'm gonna tell you, like, even with heels on, it still trails the floor. So you will have to just be aware of that. You know, you remember this? I don't know how many of y'all out there did pageants, but honey, I was a pageant girl. So you remember the T-pose? Here's that T-pose. What? Let's see if I can give you a little pageant walk. But yeah, this reminds me of my pageant days. Yeah, it does. Okay, moving on. Alright, so I like this one. This is very, very, very fitting. It's very soft. I love that it's really, really soft. So as you can tell, we're moving more into the formal phase. So these are more formal gowns and dresses. This one is, if you can see the silhouette of it, it's very fitting and I like it. I like this dress. It is different. It is different, and I think that it's just really cute. And it has a split right here on this side, if you can see it. It does have a split. You know, black makes you look smaller, honey. Yes. I would probably wear the black shoes again with this. do really like this dress. This dress is very fitting. It's thick and sturdy. What I probably would do is I will add a bra. I will add probably one of these bras, the free bras to it. Like I got this one from Fashion Nova in black. But I would like add one of this to go with it. And know that this has a super high split, okay? Super high. So know that before you buy it. If you're okay with that, if that's, you know, something that suits you, just keep that in mind. You know, that is super high, but it is so cute. I do really like this two colored splits. I would I would probably rock one of these shoes with this. The nude because it kind of matches that, and the black because of course it's black. But I think either one of these would be super cute with this dress. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. So if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave me a comment. Tell me which outfit you like the best. I like hearing about you guys' style, so something that you would wear or something you liked on me the best, let me know. Leave me a comment. I have tons of other fashion videos, from business casual outfits to winter outfits, so be sure to go look at those videos, and I'll see you over there.